better future. Better life, 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 better future. You are a financial breakthrough. You are a financial
that will lead you home.
Je descends. Tout le monde. Hey, right now. Tout le monde. Hey. Mais en fait, elle est belle. Elle est ravissante, elle est élégante, elle est époustouflante, elle a tout pour plaire, elle a tout pour défaire la terre. Ladies and gentlemen, je voudrais qu'on accueille comme il se doit The Queen, More Music DJ. Give me the grace, touch me. Thank you. Oh,
Sister Gladys, you can't touch only him, now touch me too.
Voilà.
Okay.
Prière de vous lever, s'il vous plaît.
This may we rise.
Of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Our help is in the name of the Lord. Loving God, we thank you for the gift of our lives. We thank you for the gift of this day. We thank you for the gift of opportunities. We thank you for the blessings we have enjoyed in our lives, especially the blessings we have enjoyed through Long Reach. We thank you for exposing us to join the platform, that you may enable them take the decisions that are going to lead them through life. And we ask that you may continue to bless in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Merci.
A lot of us seated here today, we are going through financial struggle, financial regrets, and financial stress. And the reason is simple. It is simply because when you have to do with the subject of money, little or nothing was being taught about money in school. All what was being taught about money was the definition of money, the characteristics of money, and all the like. And if I may ask you, how are those characteristics and definitions helping you in putting money in your pocket today? That's the reason why you see a lot of university graduates, when they graduate from school, they are still struggling. And so, Robert Kiyosaki said that they struggle because the subject of money was never taught in school.
All protocol duly respected, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am so humbled and honored to stand here on behalf of Long Reach Yaoundé to welcome you all present. We are so grateful that you could leave very important duties to be here with us today, and we do not take that for granted. We appreciate your presence. We would like to thank Long Reach Bioscience for this beautiful platform that it has given to us all to be able to change our lives, to be able to improve on our health, to be able to move us from one level to the other.
44 millions. Les voitures de 44 millions.
Vehicles for 44 million.
Ajoutez à cela les maisons de 90 millions.
You know?
Mesdames, messieurs, ce sont des baobabs. Il y a des gens qui disent souvent que j'ai déraciné le guavi. Est-ce que le baobab peut me dépasser? Ça, ce sont les baobabs qu'on ne déracine pas. Ladies and gentlemen, je voudrais qu'on accueille les stars.
Directors!
Les stars!
Directors!
Les stars!
Directors!
Right now, Mr. DJ! Ladies and gentlemen, je voudrais qu'on accueille comme il se doit, Mr. Tony.
Put your hands together for Mr. Tony. He's the general manager. He's going to give us a welcome speech and a presentation of Long Reach. Hey, he's right here. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise. Hey. Thank you for coming, Mr. Tony.
Okay, this year Yaoundé is very hot, and last year is hot, but it's less hotter than this year. So I want to give my thanks to everyone to present to Yaoundé Big Car Awards and welcome our leaders, and thanks to our leaders at D6, D3 and Star Director work. So we are here. So I want next year, this Car Awards, we will give more cars, and it's more hot than this year. Okay, thank you.
Hey,
Don't bother.
Pierre Akam.
Put your hands together for Mr. Akam Pierre.
Laurie!
Put your hands.
DJ music.
He wants to dance.
You are a financial privilege. You are a financial vision. Long reach.
Longrich, c'est une grande vision. Longrich, c'est une multinationale. À Longrich, on ne fait pas le marketing de réseau. À Longrich, on gère le business. Est-ce qu'on se fait comprendre? À Longrich, c'est le business. Ce n'est pas le marketing de réseau. Longrich est venu pour vous dire, arrêtez de vous appauvrir en consommant d'autres produits. Ça veut dire, Longrich voit le jour en 1986. Longrich produit pour plusieurs marques telles que Avon, Marks & Spencer, Mary Kay, Hyundai, les pièces détachées Hyundai, Unilever, les pâtes dentifrice Sensodyne. Qui utilise Sensodyne ici? Vous connaissez Sensodyne, n'est-ce pas? Voilà les produits GSK. Voilà, c'est Longrich qui produit. Longrich produit pour Air France, Carrefour. Vous voyez, ce ne sont que des grosses marques. Et aujourd'hui, Longrich dit, moi je suis fatigué de voir le monde être pauvre. Vous êtes pauvre, moi je vais vous changer la vie. Et Longrich dit, Better Life, Better Future. Une meilleure vie et un meilleur avenir pour tout le monde. Est-ce qu'on se fait comprendre? Donc, Longrich veut qu'en consommant les produits, nous gagnons de l'argent. Longrich nous récompense avec des voitures. Vous consommez des meilleurs produits, vous avez la santé, vous vivez longtemps. Vous gagnez de l'argent, on vous récompense, on vous donne des voyages gratuits. Quelle autre entreprise peut faire ça? À part Longrich, vrai ou vrai? Ouais. Il n'y a que Longrich pour faire ça. Je vous assure, si vous êtes dans une autre plateforme de marketing des réseaux, le jour que vous allez essayer Longrich, vous allez regretter forever and forever ce que vous faisiez là-bas. Si vous êtes dans cette salle et que vous êtes ailleurs, change immediately. Parce que moi j'étais ailleurs. Mais en peu de temps, à Longrich, j'ai compris que Longrich distribue de l'argent. Je vous assure, Longrich ne gagne pas de l'argent. Longrich nous fait gagner de l'argent. Longrich vous donne de l'argent et vous restez, vous dites, mince, est-ce que c'est moi qui ai gagné ça la semaine?
Qui se trouve dans le corps de la personne qui porte la chaussure.
Ce qui est passé tout à l'heure, je ne connais pas. Il a dit qu'il y a de l'argent dans la consommation. Mais moi, je pensais qu'il y a la santé dans la consommation. C'est pour ça que je suis parti pour les produits Longrich, mais par hasard. J'ai eu un problème de nerf sciatique. Vous savez, le nerf sciatique, c'est parfois où vous pouvez être en train de faire un mouvement, vous toussez. Et puis ça vous prend directement au dos ou à la cuisse, au niveau du fessier. J'ai eu ce problème et j'ai traîné pendant pratiquement 1 an. J'ai fait des consultations à l'hôpital et tout. Et puis un jour, mon épouse me dit, il y a cette chaussure Longrich. Elle m'a donné le prix, j'ai dit, mais ça c'est une fondation de maison. Pourquoi aller prendre un tel risque? Et puis un jour, on passe par Longrich, elle me dit, prends la chaussure. Directement, je me suis déchaussé et j'ai porté les chaussures Longrich. Arrivé à la maison, je lui dis, Avec cet argent que tu as dépensé, je suis sûr que je ne sortirai pas avec ces chaussures de la maison. Je vais les porter et dormir même avec. Entre-temps, comme j'étais convalescent, je suis resté à la maison. Tous les jours, je m'amusais toujours à mettre la chaussure, m'asseoir au salon et visionner. Une semaine, 2 semaines, après j'ai commencé à sortir de la maison, peut-être pour 2 semaines, mais je peux vous dire franchement, je ne sais pas quand la douleur s'est stoppée. Franchement, je ne suis pas ici pour quelqu'un ou bien pour l'homme riche ou bien pour quoi que ce soit, non. Pour celui qui a les moyens de ça, d'avoir ses chaussures, je vous le dis.
Gideon Finchou, Gala Kylian Fort, Beatrice Nyala, Piston Mata Akotapong, Kam Lubisi Pierre, Kinyu Anyi Kenneth, Sylvie Diamond Fort, Keki or Kihi. So the Lord reaches Diamond 4. Does the first segment? Thank you. Family photograph. Sandrine, our star director.
La Lyon.
Our star director 1. She's here in here one day. She's about
The Queen
to
of
hand
Norway.
over
Est-ce qu'on peut applaudir très très fort pour elle ce
of
soir, s'il vous plaît?
recognition. Telling them that work hard. Continue with that effort.
Applaudissements pour Mr. DJ, les Takam de Right Now! Respectez la tradition.
Merci Didi.
Les racines.
Lequel a eu raison? Kérosène équilibre.
Prière d'apporter les clés pour les voitures de 22 millions de francs CFA. C'est magique, c'est mémorable.
It is not magic. It is hard work. Hard work.
Allez, rapidement.
Thank you.
Music DJ.
Team 237. I want to give this award back to my entire team. Everybody under my lineage, under my generation, from the first to the last generation. This is for you. This is for us. And when that car comes, it's going to be ours. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's here. Thank you to all of my team members. Thank you so much. You guys made this possible. It's not by my effort alone. We all contributed to this in one way or the other. Thank you so much, dear team members. And to you who is here, sitting and watching, I want you to look down on the third stair. What does it say? Yes, you can. So tell yourself, yes, I can. Because everybody can.
Long Reach, hey. When I say Long Reach, you say total domination. Long Reach. We don't compete. Long Reach does not compete. What Long Reach pays out weekly as bonuses is above what some companies would never make, even in the next 10 years. When I say total domination, if you know any company that does like Long Reach, bring them. At this stage, we are not prospecting anymore. At this stage, we are just sensitizing. We are sensitizing the public that there is something big, that there is something big, bigger than your imagination. Whatever you dream, bring it to Long Reach and they help you realize it. It's high time you stop caressing your poor self. It's high time we stop being satisfied with the minimum. You were born for greatness. So why settle for the minimum? Why settle for less when you can have more through Long Reach? Are you like me? I used to imagine that it is for others until Long Reach came and told me, your own never finish. Are you still thinking that you are the last in the society? Are you still thinking that you will always sit there to say, wow, 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 when people gather their awards, wow, 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 you'll be ambulance? Walk your own. Walk your own. It is doable. It is flexible. But I tell you something. Some people don't make it. Do you know the category of people who don't make it in Long Reach? Proud people. Proud people don't make it in Long Reach. To make it in Long Reach, go down there. Oh, what's it? Be humble. If you're not humble, you won't tell your neighbor something is happening like this. Are you a banker? Are you a tax collector? Do you work in a government office? Or you work in the presidency? Are you a teacher? What's your salary? Do you earn 5 million francs a month? 3 million francs a month? Let those millions you earn a month not stop you from seeing beyond. There is something bigger beyond. it's better to make 1% of many people's efforts than 100% of your efforts. That is network marketing. Let your salary not limit you. Longreach has great plans for us. This is just the beginning. 33 cars surprised you? No. Hold your mind, because you're going to collapse. Because in December, it's going to be total shut down. As I speak to you now, already 40 cars qualified for December. The promotion is not yet over. Fine. One just added now. How many? 40? Our target for this year at the beginning was 50. As we went along, we added to 70. But as we speak, we have 33 plus 41. Those who did not escape arithmetic classes, take your pen. But that is not all. This year, we are on 7-figure weekly. 7-figure. You know what the meaning of 7-figure? Okay. That's going to end by December 2019. By January 2020, we are officially moving to 8 figures weekly. If you want, join us. If you don't mind, watch us. Life belongs to 3 categories of people. Those who wonder why things happen. Those who watch things happen. Those who make things happen. Yes. Where do you belong? Make it happen in your family. God bless you. The one God is still using to bless you, you who is going to change your mind, you who is going to partake. Yellow body, his favorite meal is yellow. Wow. I'm sure all Bayan is picking has chopped his brain. And as you see him now, is Tata Tony.
La jungle, Cap, la jungle.
Ta 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 ta.
I feel so excited. It's a moment I've been waiting for. It's a moment I've been working for. It's a moment I've been praying for. And thank God today we are finally here to collect this car officially and to take it home. For those who have not yet joined Longreach, I would like to ask you, what are your dreams and how big are these dreams? If these dreams are really big enough, then you need to go out there and work. And working, you need a good platform. The Longreach platform is that platform you should work on or should try and see for yourself if it actually works. Because if it has worked for others, why will it not work for you? My target now in this company is raising money to begin my own pharmacy and to raise money to begin a laboratory too. Right now we are like already 30% and we hope in the nearest future to make this project become a reality.
Well, I feel excited, very happy. You know, it's not easy. And it feels good to know that your hard work pays. Because after qualifying for 2 cars in less than 2 years, you can imagine. But it feels good to know that your hard work pays. So I'm really very excited. Very, very. They're losing a lot. They're losing a lot. I got into Longreach and in a year and a half I quit my job. I'm a freelance person. I work, I'm building a team. And people say it's for ladies, but I'm talking to you as a man. Longreach is the real deal. We're making the money there. And it's true, it's not easy like people think you can just pick the money, but it's teamwork. And when you invest the work, you get the money. It's really success. So I tell you, it's a challenge I'm giving out to all the men, and it's a challenge I'm giving out to people out there who think Longreach is joking. Yeah, we're making real money. Next year is 4 cars, straight up. The target has been set. We're working on my team and we're building up. And so we know that by next year I should be going home with 4 brand new cars, and at least 5 to 6 members of my team will be going home with brand new cars. All the strategies have been put in place, and like I said earlier, it's teamwork. So we're working and we'll get there. We need to change the mentality of the youth and make them realize that they can make money. We've had people at 24, 25 who've earned for themselves 2, 3 brand new cars. So let's stop complaining and let's get to work. So I challenge the youth that they come, and in my team we'll be going home with 5 cars, myself 4.
Yes, it's just so heart-touching because it's all a dream come true. It all came like rainy clouds on a sunny day, because I remember 2 years back when this opportunity was shared with me, I was like, is this real? Can I really make it? And today I'm going back home with a brand new car, and here's it. So I want to say, all Cameroonian youths, it's possible for you to make it. African youth, it's possible for you to make it. It all depends on you and the dreams you have. Because if you really want to achieve those dreams, if you really want to make it, you take action. And taking action not anywhere, but on the right platform. And I want to say Longreach is doing a lot. It's changing the lives of people. And I want people to understand this concept of multi-level marketing, entrepreneurship. Because it's not just MLM, multi-level marketing, but it's making living meaningful, making life meaningful. So I encourage everyone to become part of this platform because it's life-changing. I am Kimbi Saura. I'm now called Kim Rich because of the Rich platform. And it's so wonderful. So I encourage everyone to be part of it. It's amazing. My next target is, it's all about my dreams actually. So this is just a milestone and this is just the beginning. I want to see how to change the lives of many people. I want to see how many people can be uplifted, health-wise, financial-wise, because helping people is the secret to wealth creation. And this is what I want for my generation.
Well, I feel very, very delighted. I tell you the truth, from the beginning, I thought it was just doing a lot of work, referring the whole world, but then I discovered that Longreach itself knows that you don't know everybody in the world. They accept, in fact, they just know that you should refer just 3 people, which you know that you must have consumed the product, and you should also refer them to consume the same product, and they also refer their 3. From those 3, you can then know people. So I think I did what I did from the beginning, and thanks to God, it's just hard work that I find myself qualifying for the car 2019, and I did it in just 7 months. So I want to thank God for the voice that He spoke to me, and I listened. So it's investors, I think when I got into Longreach, I didn't want to know about so many things. All I knew was just a referral bonus. and bringing people into the I brought just 3 people into the business, knowing that I'll have a referral bonus of 30,000 francs each. So that was 90,000 francs. Little did I know that behind that building that I was building, there are so many bonuses. 12 other bonuses were laid behind that one bonus that I know. So Longreach is a place to be. Don't calculate so much. You don't need to know the system. Just understand how it works. And I may say you don't need to also understand how it works in entirety. You just need to understand that if I do A, I do B, I do C, will it happen? Just do it, and I think that you'll see the result. The same points that qualify you for trips, the same point qualify you for cars, the same point qualify you for house, the same point qualify you for everything. Is a transgenerational wealth and health issue. So I want to thank Longreach, and I thank God for speaking to me and taking the courage into investing in Longreach. I sold my car last year, my Ron's car, and this year I'm qualifying for a car worth 4 times that car. So it was a risk worth trying. So I think I want to thank you so much. Actually, the same point that has qualified me for this car, because this was a rank promo car, is the same point that I'm working towards again to qualify for the second car by 6th of October. Which means I'll be qualifying for 2 cars this year. And if care is not taken, if I strategize well, I'll be qualifying for $20,000 car, which is about 12 million francs. The same I just qualified for 30 million car, 8.4 million car and 12 million car. That should be 20 million car, 20.4 million car in 1 year. So it's a big deal. Longreach is real business.
C'est une joie, c'est toute une grande émotion, c'est le résultat du travail bien fourni, du travail bien fait, d'une équipe soudée, d'une équipe de jeunes. Voilà. Alors la suite avec Longreach, c'est encore beaucoup de choses fantastiques. Nous avons la croisière avec l'Italie qui s'annonce très bientôt. Nous avons des bourses d'études aussi en Chine et aux États-Unis qui s'annoncent pour cette année, pour l'année prochaine 2020. Donc c'est vraiment la joie, c'est vraiment une activité qui change vraiment des vies. Pas seulement sur le plan financier, mais aussi sur le plan moral, sur le plan associatif, sur le plan social. C'est vraiment une activité à regarder de très près. Alors ce que je vais seulement dire à toute personne qui traînent encore derrière à Longreach, c'est juste de changer la marque de leurs produits à la consommation. Vous savez, nous allons tout le temps dans des magasins, dans des supermarchés, nous achetons quoi naturellement tous les mois? C'est le savon, le dentifrice, le gel de douche, les antitranspirants, les parfums, les serviettes hygiéniques pour les femmes, les poudres pour bébés, les couches jetables pour les enfants. Nous dépensons en moyenne 15% de notre revenu tous les mois. Alors, c'est un argent qui sort et qui ne rentre plus. Alors avec Longreach, c'est juste de changer la marque de ces produits, on vous renumère. On vous renumère parce que vous consommez et on vous renumère aussi parce que vous créez un réseau de consommateurs. Alors je veux juste dire aux francophones, c'est l'entrepreneuriat, c'est la libre entreprise, c'est juste de comprendre le mécanisme et de comprendre le fonctionnement et de s'y lancer. C'est un modèle d'affaires, voilà, qui traîne à se faire connaître et qui se comprend un peu très mal chez les francophones. Mais je crois qu'au fur et à mesure que Longreach prend son envol, je pense que plus de francophones et aussi plus d'hommes aussi vont se lancer dans l'activité du marketing de réseau parce qu'on a toujours vu que c'est pour les femmes. Donc c'est la libre entreprise. Et si aujourd'hui nous avons des jeunes de 20 ans, de 23 ans, 26 ans qui se qualifient pour 2 voitures, c'est juste le résultat du travail. Ce n'est pas de l'arnaque, ce n'est pas de venir mettre de l'argent et puis ça produit, non. C'est juste parce que vous avez consommé et que vous avez partagé l'information de la consommation avec d'autres personnes. Longreach n'est pas camerounais, c'est une multinationale qui existe depuis 1986 et nous sommes dans plus de 183 pays. Donc la CEMAC, voilà. Alors rien à ajouter, juste venez on gagne l'argent. Venez on gagne l'argent. Comme les Congolais m'ont appris à dire, Longreach, mbongo na mbongo. Voilà, merci.
Feel so great and I feel fulfilled because it's been long 2 years that I started in Longreach. And why do I say I feel fulfilled? Because I tried other network marketing, but it didn't go through. But with Longreach now, I am testifying and I'm telling everybody that Longreach is real. All the cars that you have seen outside here, the people have taken their cars home, the monies have been given. So that's why I really feel fulfilled and satisfied with Longreach. What can I say? They are missing out a lot. I would like to tell every woman out there who wants financial freedom, who wants to help her husband, let me say that, or to build her own family the way she wants, not like depending on the man every time to join Long Reach. It is never too late to join Long Reach. Don't say I don't have money. With the little you have, with 24,000 francs, you can queue in and you have your results. As long as you are determined and focused, you have perfect results in Long Reach. My next target is to be the star director. That's what I'm heading for, because that 44 million car and the 90 million house, this MBA executive scholarship, it's not going to pass me by. I must work for it. That's my next target. Thank you.
Well, I feel so happy. I'm so excited and all that. The car award is so wonderful. You know, Long Reach has been doing these wonderful things to us, and they continue doing it. So I say one poster to Long Reach for all the good things that they have brought to in our life in Cameroon. Thank you.
So what next? What's your target next with Long Reach?
It's a lot of star director 5. I would love that.